also participated in the Afghan War, perhaps well known also in his capacity as a Royal Navy Search and Rescue in red and grey livery, in addition to this Foreign Air Force yellow livery you see here today. In other guises, it was used by the Royal Navy as an airborne early warning platform as well, with a big thing known as the bag on the side. And had multiple export customers to Germany, Norway, Egypt and India. Cabin loadmaster and then a winch hoist member as well, who would also be all of them medically trained. Hopper capabilities really good and sensitive as well. Some would have been fitted with a little mechanism on the back to allow the rear crew to take literally feet by feet the position of the crewman on the hoist. And they will be able to set this to maintain a steady hover over the incident location, frequently trying to pick somebody off of a bobbing, heaving deck or mountain, the Lake Districts and the Scottish Welsh mountains. Very demanding role, and often working far out to sea as well on the limits of their endurance. Andrew positioning once again in a stable hover, just showing how good it was in stable transitions left and right of the incident position. And a good nod to historic helicopters in the mighty Sea King.